Hello，大家好，我是 Rollingmandarin 的刘老师。Let's learn the fourth text together today. In this text, we can see a lot of proper nouns, 专有名词. What kind of nouns are they? A proper noun is the name of a particular person, place, organization, or thing, such as what we can see in this text. 美国 the US. 海明威 the surname of the author Hemingway. 老人与海 the old man and the sea. 普利策 the Pulitzer. 古巴 Cuba. As always, we will look at the sentence structures and the keywords. The two paragraphs we can see in this text both use the sentence structure of SVO. The first sentence is 海明威获奖. The second sentence is 小说描述故事. There is a new sentence structure in this text though, which is 把 sentence. We have learned 被 sentence in the previous lessons, and we know that 被 sentence normally will describe a passive action. 把 sentence is totally the opposite. It describes an active action. The subject is normally the one who can control the object, and it often will be used when you try to describe the direction of this action, since the word 把 takes over the position of the verb. The structure of the 把 sentence will be changed into subject plus 把plus object plus verb, and then plus something else, for example, the directional words. For example, 我把画挂在墙上. I hang a painting on the wall. 一个渔民把一条大鱼拖往海岸. A fisherman hauled a large fish to the shore. 个 is the classifier for person. 条 is the classifier for fish. Now let's look back at the first sentence. Basic element is 海明威获奖. A preposition 以 has been applied in this sentence to form a prepositional phrase. 以中篇小说老人与海. It means with or for the middle grade novel, The Old Man and the Sea. And this prepositional phrase is to modify the verb 获. 获 means to receive, to obtain. We have mentioned last time that in the SVO sentence, we can put time and place elements in front of the verb. This time you will know that the prepositional phrase can be put in front of the verb as well. Now, it should be easy for you to understand the meaning of the first sentence. 1953年5月4日，美国作家海明威以中篇小说《老人与海》获普利策奖。On May 4th, 1953, American author Hemingway won the Pulitzer Prize for his middle-grade novel, The Old Man and the Sea. In the second part of this text, there is a fixed structure that is 描述故事。描述了一个故事 will often be used when we want to tell the content of a book or an article. 一个古巴渔民打一条大鱼，把它拖往海岸 itself is a sentence. We use the particle 的 at the end of the sentence to change it into an adjective attribute to modify the object 故事。打鱼 here is a fixed structure. It means to catch a fish. It doesn't mean to hit a fish, although it uses the verb 打。拖 is to drag, to draw, or to haul. 拖往 means to draw towards. 这个小说描述了一个古巴渔民打一条大鱼， 把它拖往海岸的故事。This novel described the story of a Cuban fisherman who hunts a large fish and hauls it to the shore. 怎么样，学会了吗？点赞，关注 Rolling Your Mandarin。